Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable Minister of MSME Government of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Chaitanya Kashyap ji, Honorable Chief Secretary of Government of Madhya Pradesh, Mrs. Veera Rana ji, distinguished leaders, administrators and captains of industry, and my dear friends, आज के इस गरिमामय और महत्वपूर्ण आयोजन के अवसर पर मैं सर्वप्रथम प्रदेश के ऊर्जावाहन माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी, आपका और आपके पूरी टीम का दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। आपने हम सबको देवों के देव भगवान महाकाल की धरती पर आने का सुखद अवसर इस इन्वेस्टर समिट के माध्यम से प्रदान किया है। मैं चाहता हूं कि एक बार आप सभी जोरदार तालियों से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का अभिनंदन करें। मैं उज्जैन की देवभूमि को प्रणाम करता हूं। भगवान कृष्ण के द्वारा 5000 साल पहले दिए गए गीता का ज्ञान आज भी हम सबके लिए मार्गदर्शन कर रहा है। भगवान कृष्ण ने भी अपनी शिक्षा इसी उज्जैन के संदीपनी आश्रम में आकर ग्रहण किया था। मध्य प्रदेश देश का हृदय है और मुझे ये कहने में कोई हिचक नहीं है कि आने वाले समय मध्य प्रदेश का समय है। हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी इस राष्ट्र को परम वैभव के शिखर पर ले जाने के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं। ये साफ दिखाई दे रहा है कि इस संकल्प को पूरा करने के लिए डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी के नेतृत्व में मध्य प्रदेश महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा रहा है। Honorable Chief Minister, I am excited to share the confidence of our nation's business community that you will enable more growth and prosperity for Madhya Pradesh than ever before. And assembled here today are some of our nation's brightest business minds, the team that will build on your vision to transform Madhya Pradesh into India's Mukhya Pradesh. Looking at the range of supportive multi-sectorial policies, schemes and reforms that your government is now pushing forward, it is clear that the infinite potential of Madhya Pradesh is rapidly emerging into the light. I see infinite possibilities of infinite growth, especially in energy and infrastructure. And the Adani Group is excited about investing in Madhya Pradesh. Honorable Chief Minister, currently our presence in Madhya Pradesh spans a wide range of sectors from roads, cement, natural resources, thermal power, renewable energy and power transmission. Our cumulative investment in the state amounts to rupees 18,000 crore and we have created almost 11,000 employment opportunities across the state. I am delighted to announce that not only will the Adani Group continue investing in these diverse sectors, but we will also more than double our investments in the Madhya Pradesh and contribute in our own humble way to the state's all-round development. Honorable Chief Minister, our faith in your visionary leadership will see us investing close to 75,000 crores in Madhya Pradesh. Of this, 5,000 crores will be utilized to build the Mahakal Expressway from this great city of Ujjain to Bhopal through Indore. We will also invest another 5,000 crores to set up a 4 million tons per annum clinker unit in Chorgadi and 2 cement grinding units in Devas and Bhopal with a combined capacity of 8 million tons per annum. In the natural resource sector, we will invest over 4,000 crores and another 600 crores to expand our presence in food processing, logistics and agri-logistics and the defense manufacturing sector. Our investments in fuel distribution, which includes our compressed natural gas, CGD, LNG, EV and bio businesses, will exceed 2,100 crores, the bulk of which will be used to strengthen our city gas distribution networks in 5 geographical areas of Bhind, Burhanpur, Anupur, Tikamgarh and Alirajpur. Honorable Chief Minister, the Adani Group's biggest investment will be in enhancing your state's access to plentiful, reliable and affordable power. We will invest close to 30,000 crores to ramp up our power generation capacity at our Mahan Energen plant in Singrauli from its current 1200 megawatts to a massive 4,400 megawatts. We will also invest close to 28,000 crores to set up 3,410 megawatt capacity of pump storage projects. In all, our total planned investments of nearly 75,000 crores will generate over 15,000 direct and indirect employment opportunities in a wide variety of industrial sectors across Madhya Pradesh. Honorable Chief Minister, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, is reflected in your ambitious growth and development plans of Madhya Pradesh. I believe I speak for everyone present here today that under your decisive and inspiring leadership, this state will accelerate faster than ever before on the mission of transformation, industrial development and prosperity for all. The Adani Group is privileged to be a part of this incredible journey you are leading. Thank you. Jai Hind.